Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog, and today it's gonna be exciting because I'm thinking about going to the muffler shop, try to ask how much they would charge. That's gonna be our goal for today. If the price is right, I'm gonna go for it. If not, me and Nick are just gonna install it by ourselves. It's just different when you have a lift because you don't break your backs, man. Like for me, that's one thing I gotta consider, is not breaking our backs doing it, you know? So let's head up to the muffler shop. Let's see how much they charge for the labor. Yeah, we'll go from there. I heard a lot of reviews that this place is really good. They have 5-star reviews. People have customer satisfaction. So they don't have an appointment system. They're pretty much first come, first serve. Also, I read on the reviews, they're pretty quick. They're pretty fast when they're doing the job. So yeah, I just realized, like, just with the downpipe itself, it's loud, but it's not too loud. I don't want it too obnoxiously loud and annoying, and the cops are gonna be like, hey, burp. All right, so we're here. I'm gonna ask the owner and see how much he charges for downpipe and full exhaust system. We weren't able to do a cold start. It was already like a warm start when the video started. First impressions of the Tomei dual exhaust. Man, exhaust is loud. I can't even explain what it is. Just mix of emotions right now. Should I be concerned driving around? Is it too loud for other people, or is it just too loud for me? Because like I said, it's my first time having a full exhaust system. So I can't really compare with other brands as well. But anyways, what I could say is that it's louder than stock. Definitely louder than stock. Yeah, no doubt, no doubt. And with the burn tips, you'll notice that it's an aftermarket exhaust system. My comments with Receded Muffler Shop, they really did a good job with the fitment. They spent time on making sure that everything is right where it should be and flush onto the chassis. Sako and his team were supportive, and you know, a very, very cool guy. Check out their shop, Receded Muffler Shop. It was a pretty swift install. I think there was one clamp that was missing. Their muffler shop, they have all the supplies over there. If me and Nick installed this, it would have been a big problem because the fitment, there's an issue with it, so you really have to like have enough room to work on it. It would take more time, and then we were missing a clamp, another day wasted, not getting the entire system fully installed. The only thing that wasn't done was the installation of the active auto work catted downpipe. I even asked him, hey, like I could pay extra just to get the downpipe in there. He said he doesn't want to touch it. So that's gonna be for another episode when Nick comes back. So I'm gonna have some lunch. I'm gonna head back to the shop afterwards and pick up the stock exhaust system. I want to keep it just in case there's any problems. It's brand new, so might as well keep it. Now we're back from lunch and it was a great time. I had some Thai cuisine, always good. Next up, I'm gonna pick up the stock exhaust back at the shop. The A90 Supra stock exhaust is one full system and it's a one piece. So I gotta make sure it fits in my car. I don't wanna chop it. That's the plan. Hopefully we can pick up some of those noises, but for the meantime, that's what it sounds like in cabin. So catted downpipe plus the Tomei dual exhaust titanium. Man, imagine what more if it's catless. Damn, it's gonna be a different beast. But for right now, we're trying to keep it as, you know, keep it a little bit underneath the radar because it screams. Full exhaust system. All right, let's roll windows down and listen to what it sounds like. Man, I am lost of words right now. It's just a different experience. I have to drive it more. I haven't driven it in a freeway yet, so I don't know what it sounds like or how it feels like in a freeway. I'm in disbelief. This engine sounds really good with the right exhaust system, man. No doubt, no doubt. Anyways, I'll just have fun with it later. But right now, I'm gonna go to the other vehicle and go pick up the stock exhaust. See you guys in a bit. All right, so we made it back, and yeah, fortunately it did fit. But yeah, it took the whole entire car or SUV, as you can see, all the way down there to the cat. Probably need some help getting this brought up and stored. But for now, we're gonna end our episode here. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell button, and you guys have a good one. I'll see you guys soon.